I love breath work. Again, that's something I really want to encourage more and more people to do. It's just really taking time to breathe, to connect with your breath, to find your breath during the busyness of your day and connect with your breath. That's why this, what we're sharing now, it's a wonderful opportunity for me, because my day's been kind of busy, and also for you to take time out of your busy day and just to pause, to breathe and to reconnect. So to start off with, again, get that sense of sitting tall. So you really want to, even though you're sitting on a chair, you're not sitting down, we're sitting up. So get that sense of sitting up on a chair. Find your throne, find your seat, find your crown and sit up. You can do this lying down actually. You can do this particular breathing practice lying down. And if you're lying down on your bed, say, or the yoga mat, make sure you feel comfortable. Make sure your lower back connects with the mat or the bed. And if you've got like any sort of back pain, then have your feet flat on the floor with your knees up, just to make sure, okay? So whether you're sitting down, sitting up, not sitting down, sitting up, or you're lying on your bed, take a moment just to breathe out. Breathe in through the nose and softly breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth. One more time, breathe in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Do a couple more in your own time. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Two more. Breathe in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Really empty, empty. Last one. In through the nose. Softly breathe out through the mouth. And then I invite you just to sit. Sit in silence for a few more moments. Listening to the sound of the breath. As it flows gently in through the nose, out through the mouth. When the mind wanders and you feel your tension scattering, consciously come back to the breath. Find your breath and softly and gently breathe in, breathe out. Keep sitting up, consciously breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth. In through the nose, keep the spine nice and long, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, exhale. Let's do one more, breathing in, exhale. Well done. And just be still, return to the everyday breath. Keep the mind focus on the breath. Bring the attention back to the breath. Well done. Take one more mindful breath, the bestest, biggest, baddest breath you've taken all day, breathing in, and really exhale, let it all out. Well done. Well done. Thank you. Thank you for taking time out of your day to share this moment, the breath, the powerful breath. Thank you. Thank you. And how are you feeling now? Okay? I encourage you to take time during your day to do this breathing practice. Either rewind and watch this, or take time before you go to bed, when you wake up in the morning, sitting up, breathing in through the nose, open the mouth, just softly, breathing out through the mouth. Okay. Let me know how you get on, and if this is the sort of thing you'd like to have more of, please let me know. And keep an eye out, because somewhere along the line,